Studio 7 on YouTube West, and I've got well, some people might call it a drama, but I got a good one for you. It's called Regarding Henry. Why do I love this movie? Harrison Ford. He doesn't make bad movies. But what I like in Regarding Henry is the story itself, which I've started to add trailers to the website so you can go look at the trailers, but again, I try not to tell you too much. I will tell you he's a lawyer. I will tell you that he's a son of a bitch. I will tell you he gets shot. That's it. That's all I'm going to tell you. Regarding Henry is the journey from that point. And surrounding him in the movie is Annette Bening. It's written by J.J. Abrams. So if you're a Star Trek fan of the new movie, you're going to go, huh, he did other stuff besides sci-fi? Yes, he did, and he did it well. It's a 1991 movie. The music's by Hans Zimmer. It's nondescript, but it's definitely a 7 out of 7 performance. And it is because of the people that are in the movie and around him that help him. And they're unnoticed in Hollywood at this point. Heck, in some cases on the write-ups, they don't even get credits. Now, am I going to give them credits? I would like to, and I would like to point out who they are, but better yet, I think I'd like to point out the surprise that they will be, namely in the person that plays his daughter and the person that plays Bradley in the movie. There's not much else to say about Regarding Henry, other than it's wonderful. It's 107 minutes long, and it's just one of those stories that when you get done with it, you're going to go, man, that was really good. And it is really good. It's excellent. And everybody in it is excellent. And everybody in it is focused to the point of doing it well and doing it right. And although this is a short review of a great movie, it's a movie that needs to explain itself by you watching it. And that, I think, is the most important thing in this case. There's nothing I need to sell you on other than it's Harrison Ford. If that's not enough for you, and J.J. Abrams is not enough for you, and the music by Hans Zimmer is not enough for you, nothing else I can tell you about this movie is going to convince you to watch it. So in this case, you'll have to trust me. This has been a short, concise review of one of the best Harrison Ford movies, in my book, ever made, that's non-action. And it's called Regarding Henry. See it. For YouTube West, I'm Bob West, and this has been Studio 7's review of Regarding Henry.